What if I told you there's a way to make any girl fall for you with just your words? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. It's actually based on science and psychology. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use it. But before we get into that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So, what is this secret technique that can make any girl fall in love with you? It's called hypnosis. Now, before you freak out and think I'm talking about some weird magic trick or mind control, let me explain what hypnosis really is. Hypnosis is not like what you see in movies or shows where someone snaps their fingers and makes you do whatever they want. That's just fiction. Hypnosis is actually a natural state of mind where you are more open to suggestions and more focused on your inner thoughts and feelings. Hypnosis can be used for many purposes, such as quitting smoking, losing weight, or overcoming fears. But it can also be used for something more fun and exciting, making someone fall in love with you. But how? By using a technique called emotional roller coaster. This technique is based on the principle that emotions are contagious and that people are more attracted to those who make them feel a range of emotions. Think about it. When you watch a movie or a show, what makes you hooked and invested in the story? It's the drama, the suspense, the twists and turns, the highs and lows. You feel happy when the characters are happy, sad when they are sad, angry when they are angry, and so on. You feel a connection with them because they make you feel something. The same thing happens in real life. When you meet someone who makes you feel different emotions, you become more interested and curious about them. You want to know more about them and spend more time with them. That's why emotional roller coaster is such a powerful technique to make someone fall for you. By making them feel happy, sad, excited, surprised, and other emotions in a short period of time, you create a strong bond with them and make them associate you with those feelings. You become the source of their emotional satisfaction and they become addicted to you. But how do you create an emotional roller coaster with someone? There are two ways, by talking or by listening. If you are good at talking, you can use stories, jokes, compliments, insults, or anything else that can elicit an emotional response from them. If you are not good at talking, you can use questions to get them to share their own stories and experiences with you. The key is to be a good listener and show empathy and interest in what they say. For example, you can ask them about their most enjoyable experience in their life and let them tell you all about it. Then, show them that you are happy for them and that you share their joy. This will make them feel happy and positive towards you. Then, after a while, ask them about their most sad experience in their life and let them tell you all about it. Then, show them that you are sorry for them and that you understand their pain. This will make them feel sad and vulnerable towards you. By doing this back and forth between positive and negative emotions, you create an emotional roller coaster that will make them feel an intense connection with you. They will feel like they have shared everything with you and that you have seen their true self. They will trust you and open up to you more. And they will start to develop feelings for you. This technique works for both men and women, but according to studies, link in the description, women are more affected by emotional roller coasters than men. That's why women love drama so much, even in stable relationships. They sometimes create conflicts or test their partners just to feel the emotional roller coaster again. They want to feel alive and passionate with their partners. So if you want to make a girl fall for you, use this technique wisely and responsibly. Don't abuse it or manipulate her for your own selfish purposes. Use it to create genuine attraction and connection with her. Use it to make her happy and fulfilled with you. And that's how to use hypnosis to make any girl fall for you with just your words. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you want to learn more about hypnosis and other techniques to improve your dating life, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.